the first question which comes to us and which comes arises, since we have trained more than 75,000 plus graduating students, freshers, working professionals, the very first thing which comes to mind of everybody is, will there be an existence of a terminology called as marketing by 2023? If so, how would marketing as a vertical or a function evolve?
Okay. So, hello guys. First of all, thank you, Atish, again for inviting us, all of us. Big welcome to all my audiences as well. I would first of all want to address this with the fact that people believe that marketing is going to get redundant. Okay. So I'll just brief that with a small incident from my college. Okay. So this was way back in 2017. Okay. So this time when we used to think that, okay, marketing is basically you are marketing a product or a service. Okay. It could be anything. It could be your marketing product, service, a person, right? Personal branding per se. We feel that, okay, with AI evolving and coming into picture, it is going to get redundant. But this is a very big misconception, I'd like to say. Why? Because anything, let's say, for example, if Apple as a company or Apple as a product, if they produce iPhones and if they're not able to market themselves, the world will not know about the stellar product that they have built. Okay, so absolutely it's not going to get redundant. And second thing, with AI and automation coming in, I believe that this is going to enhance the usability of marketing. It is one way to reach broader audiences. I also believe that it can help and aid people in building communities. But yeah, AI in general should be a little more empathetic, as they say that marketing without emotion won't go long, won't be sustainable. So yeah, that's my take on it.
All right, so marketing will exist even if it is 2035 is what Tanushree ma'am has to say. It would evolve with the way AI has evolved. Arvind ma'am, what would be your take on this? I mean, would there be an existence of marketing or a function in a company or a department? Would there be an existence, and how would it evolve?
I think first and foremost, marketing is, for most businesses or in most businesses, it's a support function, and it's cost-related function. So as in all business sectors and everything, we are trying to optimize our costs, profitability, and increase profitability with the infusion of AI. There's also going to be that will happen and evolve in marketing as well. And when that happens, there will be certain changes that kind of implement themselves or have to be imposed on certain roles at marketing as well. But it is on us, human beings, to evolve and take that baton and take it forward with learning, with adapting. And I think we will be able to do that because humans are the most adaptable species on Earth. So I think there is going to be an evolution, and there will, of course, be a role. It will just be an evolved role.
Okay. All right. So thank you so much, Arvind ma'am, for sharing those thoughts. Neeraj sir, what would be your take on this?
Atish, the question is galat hai yaar. I don't find it relevant. Will marketing exist? Because marketing is in existence since the what we say, like जब से धरती है तब से marketing है, and this is going to be stay there. ठीक है, और जब तक धरती रहेगी marketing रहेगी. Format will change. It will be like some tools will come and go. AI, now you see that AI is there. Okay, so what it means, like if AI will take over everything, so there will be a competition within the AI. Who will manage that? Absolutely. So we human have to manage. Okay, Canva is like you create a good creative by Canva, so we don't need a designer. Okay, everybody is creating the same creative. Then what is the use of marketing? Marketing is all about creating a differentiation, a step ahead, doing something different. And if you have to do something different, marketing will exist. Okay. So for me, it is a never-ending thing.
All right, a great thought and a very rightly used phrase that marketing exists. Karega, this is a wrong question to ask, but this has been there in multiple people's mind, learners' minds, mid-career professionals' minds as well. So that's why we thought that okay, let's start with this kind of question. So, Chaitanya ma'am, what would be your thoughts on this, please?
See, as Mr. Neeraj Jain said, that of course, marketing kaha jayega? See, where will the creative mind will go? Who has created AI? The human being. So AI will be there, but the blending is important. The blending with the real fact, the real project, it has to be there with the AI. So AI will give you all the inputs, but for that input, the most creative thing is the human mind. So marketing has to be there.
Okay. All right. So this is for our audience. You need not worry. You can keep pursuing your marketing dreams, careers, even if you are there at any stages of your marketing. So you're listening from our amazing speakers that yes, marketing will evolve, will be there, will exist. So Anupama ma'am, what would be your immediate thoughts on the same?
I agree with all the speakers here that marketing kaha jayega. So as long as we have anybody is creating a service or the product, we need to sell it off. And how will we reach out to the customer? That's the marketing is only channel through which we can reach out to them. And somebody already said that creative mind kaha jayega, right? I mean, there is so much of creativity WhatsApp group, the informal WhatsApp group. There are so many creative videos keep floating it there. So maybe now we need to adopt the thing that it's not only the degree marketing guys will come in the picture, rather the creative minds plus AI first approach. Right. So these two shift. We cannot be rigid sitting here that have done marketing, I am a growth head, I am this and that. Maybe somebody without that degree can pass it because that person has AI plus the creativity, and that is two things needed in 25 to 2030 journey of marketing career. That's what I believe.
So
Right.
I should share something here, and it's a
Sure,
recent experience that I had with one of my clients whom I was helping in building the marketing strategy as fractional CMO, one of the services we give at Vive. As I was transitioning out of that role, because I usually do it only for 6 to 8 months, and then they're ready and set. The CEO comes to me and comes to one of the co-founders and tells them, you know what, we didn't need a marketing person, and great that we had someone and helped us in, but you know what, let's just do it. Let's just help ChatGPT become our marketing manager. And whatever has been in terms of the strategy, just ask ChatGPT, put your category in, and ask ChatGPT to build a marketing plan for the rest of the year. And she did it. And she got a big long list of things, this, that, do it from your channels, do it from this. But she was like, yeah, okay, I've got it in a textbook format, but I don't know how to do it. Or I don't know where to start or how to start. So then she prompted, how do I start? Again, it was a textbook answer. And it just goes on and on and on. So yes, AI can replace a lot of things when it comes to operations. AI can replace a lot of things when it comes to tactical executions, creating things and recreating things. But AI cannot replace the experience. And that's where bringing everything together, what's right and what's wrong. The human intervention is evidently needed even today, and it will be needed even as we go along. It will never be able to replace the human experience and the human intervention. So as marketers, we know, and we probably have these conversations every day with our clients, with our teams. We just need to be at the helm of the evolution. We cannot take it lightly or just fear it and then try to think of alternatives which might not help us survive in our current roles. That's something I wanted to share.
It's a very, very rightly you had put it across, ma'am. Being an entrepreneur myself, being a co-founder and founder on as well for two ventures. Many times I think that, okay, is it okay to spend this much of money when you have a lesser number of ROI in terms of marketing team? But when you understand what exactly is the role, your personal experiences, your customer experiences, and so on, it is very important for us to understand that from a real ground level, realistic data driven perspective. Use AI as a tool, as an assistance to evolve.